Hi guys, I hope you have tried the last video when we were doing some exercise. I hope you have tried that. If not, just go to the last video and try those exercises. Those are really important. Sure. Let's start today's topic. Today's topic is what are variables and what is the use of variables in Python. It's variables. It's simple. A variable is that changes. And why it is used? It used to store data in Python language. Let me show you. Suppose I have to write my name. So I'll give it a name like variable name variable is name now, and I'm giving a name in a string that is my name. So I've given my name, this data to this variable and used print. Earlier in previous videos we have used print in the manner like this way. In double quotes we used to write whatever we needed to print. But here, as we have the variable, we don't have to use print in this manner anymore. We can, but we don't have to. We can simply write the variable over here and execute it. So see, you can see the name over here. As you can see, the name came over here. Now, let's check whether it has a feature of changing itself or not. So, let me give this name a different name or a different value, which should be, I think Rohit will be good, right? And let's print it. Print in brackets name. Let me execute it, and you can see first it was Gaurav, then second it was Rohit. And what I printed is just name, nothing else. So this variable is also used to hold the integer variables. Suppose I've given num equal to 10, right? And I'll print in brackets, I'll print this num. Let's see what it gives. It is giving me 10, a value, right? And I'm changing this num to 20 now. And let's print this again, num. And when I printed it again, it gave me 20, right? So this variable has a property of changing itself. Means we have changed the word, it got changed as per the new word, right? Now this is the string or this is a word. But what if I want to write a long string? Then let's see. I'll write uh, I'll write name equal to in double quotes I am Gaurav. So this is a bigger string, right? Let's see whether it prints it or not. I'll execute it. Yeah, you can see it. I am Gaurav. Now, suppose in name I gave value 10. Will it print? Let's see it. See, now earlier it was I am Gaurav, now it is 10. So a variable is which just stores data. It doesn't means like it should be string, it should be numeric, it should be character. Any bloody thing you can store it in over there. Yes, this is an example. This is one of the example that I have given the string first, then I have changed it to numeric, and I am still able to print it. So this is the thing. Okay, so these are the variables. We can use it. We will use it in many programs now. So the thing is now let's go to rules and conventions. What is the difference between rules and conventions? The rules are which is mandate to use, but the conventions are it depends on you whether you want to use it or not. They have like programmers have given it to you, but now if you want to use it, you can. If you don't want to use, you can you can skip them. So let's see the first rule, second rule, and third rule. First rule we have is we cannot start a variable with a numeric. Means the first word should not be a numeric. Then the second one is we can use underscore or a letter in the beginning. And the third rule is we cannot use special symbols in variables. Okay, let's see it. Suppose I have to write first name. The first writing first name can be like this. First name, right? Equal to Gaurav. So what is the problem in over here? Let's execute. I told you like the rule is not to use the character or numeric word in the first in the beginning, right? Let's play it. It's an invalid syntax, right? Okay. How can we write it? We can write it like first name. Okay. Let me execute it. Yeah, it executed without any issue. I didn't print it. It just got executed. Okay. What is the other part? I can use underscore in front and I can again execute it. It got executed without any issues. See the green line over here. Now, suppose I have to use the numeric in between, right? This. I can use this. See, the only thing is as soon as you see a red line beneath it, it's an error. We are not supposed to use any other special character instead of this underscore. So if I put some special character, so see the red line is there. If I'll execute it, it will give me an error, syntax error. So make sure you check whether the red line is there or not. If the red line is not there, most probably your program will run properly without any issue. Okay, so these were the rules. The rules were, first of all, we cannot start a variable with the numeric, but we can use it in the middle. Numeric part, we can use it in the middle. The second is we can use underscore or start a word or new or variable with underscore or a letter. Then we cannot use any special symbol in a variable except underscore. Okay, let's start with the conventions. So there are two type of conventions. One is I have shown you like I'm writing first name. So make sure if you are giving a long name, then you use underscore over here. Okay, first name equal to Gaurav, right? So I have used a naming convention this, a convention this, first underscore name Gaurav. Okay, and let me see the last underscore name equal to Kapoor. So can you see the difference? The first name and the last name where before or after in the first name before and after this underscore both the first characters are small, but in the second part before and after this thing underscore the first character of the first word is small, but the first character of the second word is large. What is the difference between them? So the upper one is called snake case type writing. Okay, generally used in Python. And the second one, the lower one, is called camel case type writing. If you ask the difference, there is no bloody difference. You can use you can use snake case or camel case to expand it to express your code. You can it's only you have to you have to like understand your code. So if you want to use snake case, if you want to use camel case, it's perfectly fine. I'll show you the example. Like I'll print both the things, and you yourself will conclude it. This is first underscore name. Okay, let me put it in double quotes, else it will be an issue. So this is first name and print uh, last underscore name. Oh, again. So this part we have to make sure that we are following the uppercase or lowercase. Because Python is a case sensitive language. So we are print. Okay. So this is uppercase, so it needs to be uppercase. Okay. Make sure of that. So let's run it. See, I got the first name and the last name. But what is the issue? You should have told me that, right? Mm. Now, as we have used the variables, we don't use double quotes. Let's run it. See, Gaurav Kapoor. Got it? So it's up to you whether you want to use the snake case typewriting, or camel case typewriting. But you can simply use it. For you, I'll write something else. I'll combine them. Print plus last name. Let's see what it prints. Ah, it gave me the full name, Gaurav Kapoor. How it happened? This magic happened because of this plus variable. This is called string concatenation. We will learn these things in next program, in coming programs. But for now, I want you to try this thing at home. Please try this at home. And if you like the video, please like, share, and subscribe. If you have any comments, give me the comments down below, or you can mail me on gauravkapoor.js@gmail.com. Bye bye. Take care. Let's meet in the next video.